A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Global Demographic Reshuffle, Strategic Perspective and Preparation. Ladies and gentlemen, the world is undergoing a profound demographic transformation. By 2030, nearly 1 billion people will be aged 65 and older, with those over 80 exceeding 200 million, a figure expected to triple by 2070. Declining birth rates and rising life expectancy are reshaping societies, shifting the global divide from economic classifications to one defined by age. This reshuffle is not a challenge to fear, but a transition to embrace with foresight, innovation, and collective wisdom. Let's understand the dynamics of this change. Historically, civilizations have thrived by adapting to demographic shifts. The Roman Empire flourished through inclusive governance of diverse populations. The Renaissance emerged from population recovery after the Black Death, fueling intellectual and economic growth. Today, the changing demographic landscape presents a new frontier, one that calls for strategic preparation rather than reactive measures. While concerns exist about workforce shortages and economic burdens, the evolving age structure offers immense opportunities. Advances in medicine, biotechnology, and artificial intelligence are extending healthy lifespans, creating new consumer markets, and fostering intergenerational collaboration. The rise of longevity economy, valued at over $17 trillion globally, demonstrates the vast potential of an aging yet active population. Countries investing in healthcare innovation and lifelong learning will gain a competitive edge in this new era. Let's also understand the opportunities amidst this transformation. First, reimagining workforce models. Automation and AI-driven industries can counter labor shortages, while flexible work policies can integrate experienced professionals, retaining institutional knowledge and mentorship. Second, healthcare innovation and well-being. With global healthcare spending exceeding 10% of GDP, investments in preventive care, telemedicine, and biotech can transform aging into an era of vitality. Third, urban planning and smart cities. Age-inclusive infrastructure, AI-assisted mobility, and accessible public services can foster dynamic and adaptive communities. Fourth, financial resilience. Pension reforms, sustainable investment models, and longevity focused economic policies can stabilize social security systems and enhance economic participation. Fifth, intergenerational synergy. Societies that cultivate collaboration between younger and older generations will benefit from shared wisdom, technological adaptation, and a balanced civic landscape. Let's look at some lessons from the ancient wisdom. Throughout history, the longevity of civilizations has depended on their ability to harness the strengths of all age groups. The teachings of Confucius emphasize lifelong learning, while ancient Indian philosophy speaks of 4 life stages, with later years dedicated to reflection, wisdom sharing, and societal guidance. The Stoic philosophers of Greece and Rome underscored the value of adaptability, resilience, and rational decision making in navigating life's inevitable transformations. What's the way forward? A demographic reshuffle is neither a crisis nor a burden. It is a call for strategic renewal. Nations that embrace inclusive policies, intergenerational engagement, and technological adaptation will transform this shift into an era of shared prosperity. By aligning economic frameworks with the new age structure, the world can unlock unparalleled growth and stability. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the evolution of human societies has always been marked by their ability to transform change into opportunity. This moment in history calls for such vision. The future does not belong to any single generation, but to those who recognize the power of collective wisdom. Just as the great civilizations of the past flourished through balance and harmony, so too must today's world find strength in the fusion of experience and innovation. An ancient Chinese proverb reminds us the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. The same holds true for preparing for the demographic shifts ahead. Now is the time to shape policies, foster understanding, and create a world where longevity is a source of strength, where youth and age walk together in progress, and where humanity thrives not in separation but in unity and shared purpose. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.